Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. It is March, which means it's already tax season, and here to help us understand what's changing this year, we have Kristen Konishi from Bank of Hawaii. Aloha, Kristen.
Aloha, Steve. So great to be here.
Yeah. Well, so what are the big things that people need to know about taxes this year?
I'd say the biggest change might be for someone who receives funds through a payment app or even an online marketplace.
You mean like a mobile payment service app? Why?
So if you receive more than $5,000 in 2024, you might receive a form called the Form 1099-K. So the threshold was previously $20,000, or if you had more than 200 transactions. So there's a change there.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Well, that means it might be considered as income. So you might need to pay income taxes on that amount.
Okay, and that's a big change.
Yep. There's another change too. So in 2024, increases to the standard deduction and child care credit are actually good news for filers.
Yeah, and when we're filing taxes, we like good news.
That's true. Here's more then. So if you borrowed money from your retirement fund to pay for an emergency, you could be exempt from those withdrawal fees.
And that would be a relief for anyone who's in a financial bind. These are all important, but they sound kind of complicated.
But fortunately, there's help. So the IRS has a free volunteer income tax assistance program, which we call VITA, for taxpayers who made less than $6,000, that have disabilities, or even speak limited English. There's also another free tax program called TCE, which is Tax Counseling for the Elderly, and they specialize in assistance for those who are 60 years of age and up.
Are these free services through Goodwill?
Yes, and so you can learn more about them at goodwillhawaii.org.
Well, when is the filing deadline?
Great question. It's actually closer than you would think. So the federal tax deadline is April 15th, and the Hawaii state tax return deadline is April 21st.
Ooh, thanks for the reminder, Kristen. It's coming up.
That's coming up. You're welcome. And so for more information, visit boh.com/resources and search for articles for tax tips. Please also keep in mind that this information is not intended to be tax, legal, or accounting advice, and it's always a good idea to consult your tax, legal, or accounting advisors for your specific situation.